Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first video and today I'm going to show you how to draw layout of the eye in some simple steps. We are going to start by drawing a horizontal and a vertical line to make a cross. For this I am using a 5B pencil, but I'll suggest you to use H or B grade pencil. I'm going to use this point of intersection as the base to draw the pupil and construct the iris around it. Remember, while drawing an eye, we don't make a full circle for the iris. Instead, we draw a semicircle and on the top we construct the eyelid and on the bottom as well. Now on the left, make sure the line of the eyelid goes below the horizontal line. Here make the same line, bend backwards making a curve and draw a line to the right end of the iris on the bottom. You will notice it is slightly slanting, and as soon as it touches the bottom right end, it should gradually go upwards beyond the horizontal line. Now we join these two curved lines. Here I am curving it outwards to use it as the base to draw eyelashes. Now draw another layer to the bottom side of the eye. Make sure while drawing these layers there isn't much space between them. Before making eyelashes, make sure to draw the eye crease first. While drawing the eyelashes, start with a steep curve followed by a gradual curve as shown in the video. Be careful while drawing it, also let some lashes overlap each other. As you reach the center of eyelid, make V-shaped eyelashes that will overlap each other. Make a letter V and move forward a bit, and then start drawing lashes in the opposite direction, and same goes for the bottom part. So we are done with eyelashes. Next we will draw the eyebrow. For that we will do some construction first. Draw a vertical line alongside the right corner of the eye. It will act as the indicator for the bend in the eyebrow, and another vertical line at a distance that will act as an indicator for the end of eyebrow. While drawing the eyebrow, draw a slanting line from this corner. It will act as the indicator of where the eyebrow will begin. Now we will construct the eyebrow. Make sure you don't forget the bottom crease of the eye, as it helps us in making the eye look realistic while shading. With that said, our eye layout is complete. I hope this video helped you with the layout.